Checking where a symbolic link points at in Windows 7. In Windows 7, how can I check if a file is a symbolic link or not, if a folder is a junction or not, and how can I check where they are pointing at, in case they are symlink junction? Both in Explorer and in command line. It's very important to have a way to do it from command line, in order to know how to duplicate symbolic links on another computer when you want to make an exact replica of a folder tree. If I right-click on a file and check Properties, I can't find any indication that it's a symbolic link.
The dir command /a can do this. Alternatively, you can use Windows Explorer.
Copied from Stack Overflow, I just used this line, and it works. Footle repass point query a folder name find symbolic link null and echo symbolic link found echo no symbolic link. Explanation. From MSDN about Footle. Performs tasks that are related to file allocation table GFAT and NTFS file systems, such as managing repass points, managing sparse files, or dismounting a volume. If it is used without parameters, the Footle displays a list of supported subcommands. For our use, we just care that it outputs a line that has symbolic link in it if it's symbolic, which we then find, then if find succeeds, we output one thing, if it doesn't, we output something else. Notes. The quotes around the folder name are required if the path has spaces in it. It gives the same output whether the folder doesn't exist or isn't a symlink. To use with caution.
Using PowerShell, on at least Windows OS, you can find symbolic links in any given directory, such as the following. A more concise alternative would be to use getChildItems alias ls. And you can get relevant information on a symbolic link by doing any of the following. Get the file item and output its target property. Target being the value of the symbolic link. In addition, method or command signatures for creating symlinks when juxtaposing between operating systems. The arguments names of target, path, and/or value may hold different meanings than another method signature on a different OS. Get the file item and output its link type property. An item with a link type value of symbolic link means that it's, well, symbolic. Get the file item and output its mode property. An item with L in the mode value indicates that it is a symbolic link. Get the file item and output its attributes property. An item attributed with a reparsepoint value may be indicative to a symbolic link.
Do not use fsutil to check if an item is a symbolic link or not. At first, because error level has errors, so sometimes it stays to 0 and a real folder is viewed as a symbolic link. Error level cannot be trusted. A problem with find is because find symbolic link is possible in English, but not in other languages. The good way is to search from the attributes. Attributes got with % are drasketleb, and L is for symbolic link.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.